All right, so this is our schematic. This is a really simple schematic. Let's move over to the PCB. Associate R1 with D1. We can align. If you hover your mouse over and you press M, and then you press with the arrow keys, you can do minute adjustments. So that's pretty good. I like that. So now you have to make your track width. The copper tape that we're gonna put on the bottom of this circuit board is 6 millimeters in width. 3 millimeters because it's an even multiple and you can just cut it in half. You use front copper for a trace that you want to be on the back of your board. You will never be able to switch it around, mirror it, invert it in a convenient way so that you have an assembly diagram. So just make sure that you click back copper. If you're doing a more complicated project, you're gonna wanna put a bit more thought into this. Right? So we're not putting very much thought into it. We're just kind of making it happen. The last thing we have to do is we have to make a rectangle on the edge cut layer. There's an export. Yes, export. And then you wanna export step. So right here, step. And then we want to export the board body. We do want to export the tracks and vias. Okay. These are step files, which is the standard CAD format, so you can open them in the program of your choice. You have bodies that are the tracks. Extrude these. 0.6 works pretty good. From the top of the board to the end of it, the top of the track, it's 2.145 millimeters, and you can just make a larger circle. So I'd like to make a circle that's maybe 3.5. Now we have a bigger pad. KiCAD is not perfect, and that gets crazier and crazier the more complex boards you build. Lay it on its face, just slice it. You can have integrated standoffs, and you kind of want some more girth on those pads. If you're finding that there's gaps, change it to Arachne, and you might have a better shot. You want a complete loop there. This is pretty easy to do.